Okay, dear students, we have been doing yesterday this particular topic, objectives of HRD. So this slide and this one we have already done. So we are supposed to begin from here, right? So it says to ensure smooth and efficient working of the organization. So obviously, if there is management of HR done properly in any organization, obviously the result will be smooth and efficient working of the organization. If human resources are controlled and put to use properly, then there will be no doubt smooth and efficient working of the organization. Next is to provide comprehensive framework for HRD. This is also one of the objectives, because unless that framework is provided and everybody is made to know that the HRD department is working towards developing the overall HR of the organization. So there has to be a consolidation of the idea that everybody needs to be developed. Okay? Then this idea has to be, decimated, perpetrated by the HRD department only. कि हम पूरी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन को एक साथ डेवलपमेंट की तरफ लेके जाना चाहते हैं, and we are doing the same. To enhance organization capability, of course, by developing people, ultimately what we are doing, we are enhancing the capability of our human resources. Lastly, to create a climate that enables every employee to discover, develop, and use his or her capabilities to a fuller extent in order to further both individual and organization goals. लोगों का भला तो होगा ही, क्योंकि वो खुद डेवलप हो रहे हैं और साथ ही साथ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के गोल्स भी अचीव होंगे. सो एचआरडी का एक मेन ऑब्जेक्टिव ये है कि उस तरह का वातावरण तय करना, उस तरह का क्लाइमेट क्रिएट करना जहां लोग खुद को डिस्कवर करें, अपनी क्वालिटीज को, हिडन टैलेंट को पहचाने, उसको डेवलप करें और उसको यूटिलाइज करें. दे यूटिलाइज इट फॉर दी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन एट बोथ एट द इंडिविजुअल लेवल ऑल्सो, बिकॉज दे आर रीडिस्कवरिंग देमसेल्फ, अपने बारे में नई चीजें जान रहे हैं और ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के लिए यूटिलाइज कर रहे हैं. सो ऑर्गेनाइजेशन का भी बेनिफिट है and it is also the benefit for the individual person. So this was the end of this particular topic of objective of HRD. Now next is the goals of HRD. So main goals are obviously the first. So those were objectives. These are goals to be attained by the HRD process. Improve performance of the individual on present job. Obviously लोगों को डेवलप करना है, उनकी प्रेजेंट जॉब में उनकी इफेक्टिवनेस हमें बढ़ानी है. Improve competence of the individual to perform future jobs. Obviously, लोगों को फ्यूचर के लिए बेहतर तरीके से डेवलप करना है, तैयार करना है, because organization are not stagnant, they are dynamic, they keep on moving, and changes are ushered in as per the environmental changes. So the individuals, those who are working, they also have to adapt to the changes in the environment, and because of which the organization also needs to change. So future jobs, preparedness, that is there. Then improve group dynamism and effectiveness. Group dynamism means, students, that people together as a group should work and the end result should be very good. Effectiveness will automatically come once people are coordinating and joining their hands together as a group, and definitely it is going to improve their overall group effectiveness also. Improve individuals' attitude, obviously. There is a positive attitude. People are rediscovering themselves. They are contributing for the wellness and progress of the organization. So naturally, it improves individual attitude also, because most of the people are positively inclined in their attitude. So positive attitude always pays. This we all know. Integrate goals of individual with the goals of the organization. You see, at every level, every individual has certain goals to be achieved. There are targets set by the individual. I want to reach this level. Similarly, there are goals of the organization also. So while you are trying to achieve the goals of the organization, you also individually set your goals. So if there is a matching, so both the organization and the individual gets benefited. Okay? Optimize the available human resources in the organization. Optimization का मतलब होता है neither minimum nor maximum, but exactly the right quantity of available human resources should be available at all times. आने वाले समय में भी और प्रेजेंट में भी. सो ऑप्टिमाइजेशन ये कहता है कि अगर हमें 10 लोगों की जरूरत हो तो 10 हमेशा अवेलेबल है. अगर 8 होंगे तो भी नुकसान है, 15 होंगे तो भी नुकसान है. ओवर एम्प्लॉयमेंट होगा, अंडर एम्प्लॉयमेंट होगा. तो एग्जैक्टली अगर हम यूटिलाइज कर पाए, ऑप्टिमाइज कर पाए, This is the idea, and this is one of the goals of HRD to optimize the HR. Then encourage creativity. So people should be encouraged to use their creativity. Their new ideas are always welcome. By the HRD philosophy, we welcome the creative ideas, new ideas. Every individual who's a human being has certain ideas. Creativity is inherent in every human being. So if we encourage the HRD people, or the department, or the atmosphere as such is created, that people are utilizing their creative abilities in order for the betterment of the organization, then it is for the benefit of everybody, right? Then provide opportunity and facility to individual for full expression of their talent and potential. Obviously this is related to the last point. अगर उनको अपॉर्चुनिटी प्रोवाइड करी जाएगी बाय द एचआरडी प्रोसेस, तो नेचुरली लोग अपने टैलेंट को फुल्ली यूटिलाइज कर पाएंगे और एक्सप्रेस कर पाएंगे. Improve interpersonal relation and work culture. Obviously coordination and cooperation and it depends on the interpersonal relationship, and the more the interpersonal relation is good, coordination is good, the work culture automatically becomes nurturing, helping each other. These kind of things takes place. Then bring industrial harmony. Obviously when there is a settlement and there is industrial within the company, there is settlement, so naturally the industrial harmony will be maintained. लोग एक दूसरे से सहयोग करके चलेंगे तो ऑटोमेटिकली इंडस्ट्रियल हार्मनी एग्जिस्ट करेगी. Increase productivity. Obviously people are talented, people are contributing. Obviously what they are ultimately doing, they are increasing the productivity of the organization. So this being the last goal, that is to increase the productivity of any organization by effective use of human resources. So that's it for today's lecture. We will move on to next topic in the next lecture.